Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF file into the body of an Outlook email. This is a great way to make your emails look more professional and visually engaging, especially when you're sharing important documents. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do it and without any confusion. To get started, head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option. If your details are already saved, you'll be logged in instantly. If not, go ahead and enter your email address and password, then click Next to continue. For this tutorial, I'm already logged into my account, so I'll go ahead and continue from the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. From here, go to the top left corner and click on New Mail to open a new email window. Think of this as your workspace where you'll be creating your message, where you can add recipients, a subject line, and the content of your email. Next, click inside the body of the email where you would normally type your message. This ensures that everything you add will appear in the right place, especially when inserting files or other elements into the email. Now, move to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section allows you to add different types of content to your email, such as attachments, images, and more. From the options available, click on Attach File to begin adding your PDF. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer's files and folders. From here, you can either select a file directly or navigate to the exact location where your document is stored. Simply locate the PDF you want to embed, whether it's on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or any other directory on your device, and prepare to select it for upload. Once you find the correct file, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. This will insert the PDF into your email. And that's it. You've successfully added your PDF file to the email. This method is a simple and effective way to share documents while keeping your email clear and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.